You're in a state of doing nothing. So the body seems to be freezing completely, numbness, tingling, as if the time comes, the mind says there is no body, bodilessness, or it starts sinking into the floor, rising up. All these other experiences may come and go. We need not to be concerned about it. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences, and bring the hands down. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. How are you?
Oh, I feel very, very good.
I know. First time I.
I was spacing my in the breath, my brain, or whatever.
Yeah.
Was
That's
like
good.
in a warm bath or something. It felt very good. Yeah,
Very good. So, the first instant, you did not wake up.
that's true.
So, it was a deeper calmness.
It was. Yeah, it was very good.
Yes, that is what we need to do. We move into a very deeper and deeper state of the calmness to bring the harmonious interaction of the body, breath, mind, intellect, and the ego. And I hope the problem will be over. But I told you, 3 hours per day,
Okay.
3 weeks.
All right.
All right.
I'm trying hard. Okay.
No. Don't,
No,
try easy. You have enough time. So
that's
I'm sending you this practice. Do it 3 times or 4 times.
great. Very good.
And respond to the outer situations carefully. Take the word lightly.
Okay. All right.
How long we will take the world with the reaction, hesitation, anxiety? There is no need.
I know. No, it doesn't lead to anywhere.
So when you know it, realize it.
Yes. All right.
All right, thank you.
I do so. Thank you.